Today I'm going to show you how to change out the wiper blades on a 2020 Honda Civic. So the first thing you want to do, pick them up. These are just basically J-hooks. There's a little tab under here that you might have to push down on to press, and then it's just going to slide off like that. To put them back on, if you look at this, the hook's going to go over here, and it's just going to slide back on. Just be gentle with them. They easily go on. So if you look under here, there's a little tab that you're going to push over. And just gently take them off. You get your new wiper blades and put them on in reverse. They just snap in and put them back down. They are two different sizes. I'll list the parts for new wiper blades in the description below. They are two different sizes. Thank you and have a great day.